Hey everyone, welcome to Gadget Mix. This is my Rolex Starbucks unboxing, reference number 126610LV. This is the MK2. Which means it was launched in 2023. It is descendant of the all green discontinued Hulk. This new Starbucks has a new shape that I think gives it a more refined profile that I think was reminiscent of the five digit submariners of old, marking a return to form for a submariner that resonated with collectors and drove its popularity to new heights. The box is similar to what you typically get with other Rolex boxes, just a normal sized box, not the bigger one that you get with the day date series. I think the one larger difference from his predecessor Hulk, which I also really like, but it's very hard to get because it is discontinued, is the change from the green dial to the black one. It is very similar to the earlier Kermit, which has a reference number, I think, 16610LV. Um, the difference is that this has a ceramic dial and it has a new hour hand with a broader base, which enlarges its presence and gives Rolex to, have a little bit more room to apply their signature chromalite loom. This bigger R hand subtly suggests the range of changes that the new Submariner collection ushered in when compared to the older references. I personally hate flashy watches, and some may think that this is a flashy green bezel. Well, I think the Hulk one is more flashier with its all green look. This one is a little bit more subtle and flashy at the same time. Love the way the how the color changes from this green to a little bit greenish yellow under certain light conditions. Among the entire Rolex series, this is one of the hottest watches right now. It's getting really hard to get as well. And I think the Rolex is going to discontinue it within 1 or 2 years, and then the price of this will be at par with the Hulk. I would like to make myself clear that I did not buy it directly from Rolex. While I am the first customer, I had to pay a little bit extra to the gray market dealer because that's the best way and immediate way of getting watches where I live or where anybody lives. It's very hard to get hold of Rolex Starbucks. I totally have fallen in love with the all the on the fly adjustable clasp, and personally I did not have to take any link out due to that. It provides pretty nice adjustment. You can adjust 2 or 3 links easily, and it's really nice to adjust the length of the bracelet on the fly. But I think the one implemented on my Seamaster is a little bit better than this. But I'm not complaining. The bracelet is very comfortable, and the watch sits very nicely on my wrist. I have been waiting for this watch for 5 months, but the Rolex gave a deaf ear to me, and I had no choice but to go gray and buy it and pay the premium. The Starbucks is just so unique to me, and I think it would fit my wardrobe very well. Otherwise, I think you should save money and go for no date sub. I think you would save quite a bit of money if you go for that. But yeah, once you see this watch in person, um, you will love it. It's game over. This green color pops so much more than the black one. In the end, it all depends on your style. If you think the green is too flashy, then go for the black one. Yeah, that's all about it. And I hope you like this video. Give this video a like and share with your friends if you like. Bye bye.